Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and today's video I thought I'd show you how I created my Easter tablescape. This video is part of the Spring DIY and Decor Challenge hosted by the DIY Mummy, and if you want to check out more great ideas for Easter and spring, I will leave a link to the playlist in the description box below. So here's some of the items that I thought I might be using in creating this tablescape. I have a packet of these white plaster type eggs, also some faux leaves which I picked up from eBay. These are the foam Easter eggs which I've just painted in some pastel colours. I have some pine cones left over from Christmas that I love decorating my house with, and I've just painted them up in some pastel colours. Also some faux flowers. Most of these are from eBay or Kmart. Very inexpensive and quite nice quality, I think, too. I've also got a stack more down there in my collection. I have some raffia here. This is a packet from Kmart, which was about $2. Also some white shredded paper, also from Kmart for a couple of dollars. And then these are my little plaster bunnies that I purchased from Target. They were in a plaster kit, and instead of painting them up, I just decided to keep them white. I also have a couple of little shot type glasses that I picked up from a thrift store, and this is my tray that I typically use for my tablescapes. I use this one at Christmas as well. So let's get started. So first up, I'm just cutting up the raffia and also the shredded paper just to lay down a base on the tray, just to fill in any gaps. Once I'm happy with my base, I am then going to just start adding some of the glasses in, just to position them to see where I need them to be. And then I just start adding in some of the elements. I tried to make it pretty symmetrical from the middle out. What I typically do to one side, I will do to the other. So I'm just starting off with the greenery here, putting a sprig of greenery on each corner, as well as one in the middle along the sides. So here I'm just positioning the bunnies just to see where I want them to sit, and then I can start laying the flowers around them. And there's no right or wrong. I mean, like I said, I just like to keep mine pretty symmetrical, so I usually add the same sort of flower on one side as the other side, and just continue to keep adding more flowers and Easter eggs and different elements until you're happy with the way it looks. So here's the finished result. I added a couple more roses in a deeper apricot, just brighten it up a little bit, and this is our tablescape for Easter. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and hopefully maybe it can give you some ideas in creating your own tablescape for Easter. I'd just like to thank the DIY Mummy for hosting this challenge, and please don't forget to check out the playlist below for more great Easter ideas. Happy Easter, guys. Thanks for watching.